Should I boost my Facebook posts? If so, which ones? And is boosting a waste of money? Let's talk about boosting on Facebook, whether it's worth it, whether it's not worth it. We'll dive into all of that and more right now. Let's get into it. Hey, what's up, busy people? Welcome to 5 Minute Social Media. If your business is new on social media, or if it's feeling stuck on social media, you're in a great place. Every week we put out another quick video to help you out, and we help businesses get high quality results without wasting all of your valuable time. So if that sounds like something you could use, take a second, hit subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll be notified each week when we release another helpful video. My name is Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with the boy wizard. And I've been getting asked a lot, should I boost my Facebook posts? And the answer is, with a lot of things, maybe, or it depends. Which, by the way, I hate giving that answer to any question, but sometimes that is the best possible answer. But let's dive a little deeper. First of all, a lot of people ask, is boosting a waste of money? Is it a waste of time? And there are a lot of people out there that say that it is, and I'll tell you who two of them are. One of them are people who want you to either hire them to run Facebook ads campaigns in Ads Manager, or buy a course from them about how to do that. And that's okay if that's what you want to do, but that's part of their underlying motivation. The other people that say that, or used to say it, are people that are talking about the way Facebook boosting was years ago when it first came out. It was very, very limited, but it's turned into a much more robust tool now than what we had before. Quick example, this was a client I worked with that wanted to promote a special event, a special night at a restaurant. We spent $40 on the Facebook event boosting it, and it reached over 50,000 people, as you can see on the screen there. Normally on Monday night, when this event was, this restaurant would make about $3,000, and they made $7,000 on this particular night, on a $40 spend on boosting. So yes, boosting sometimes can work amazingly if you know what you're doing, and it's not always a waste of money as some people claim. Now that was a Facebook event. Here's a post example. One of my students spent $30 boosting a Facebook post and booked $1,400 worth of business on it in 2 days. So it was well worth boosting her Facebook post. Now, if you know Facebook Ads Manager, you can do far more things in there than you can in the boosting interface. But if you're limited on time or you don't know what you're doing, you can't hire somebody, boosting can be a good option. Now, 2 things to keep in mind when you are deciding whether or not it's worth boosting a Facebook post. First, can you reach your ideal customer or client? Some audiences are really easy and great to target on Facebook. Some are really, really difficult. Anybody can put money behind a post and reach a bunch of people that maybe even like, love, or comment on the post. But if they're not your ideal customer or client, it's probably not worth the money. And secondly, make sure you have a way in mind that you are going to earn the money back that you spent on the boost, and then some, hopefully. Now, it's okay to experiment. You can actually boost posts starting at $1 a day on Facebook. But you want to make sure that you have at least a vision of how you're going to make that revenue back, kind of like the examples that I shared. The first example I shared in this video, they spent $40 and made $4,000. Second one, they spent $30 and made $1,200. But no matter what, even if you spend $10 and you make $20, I mean, if I give you $10 and you give me back $20, I'm going to give you $10 all day as long as you'll keep giving me 20s, right? So just make sure you have an idea of how you are going to earn revenue from it and that you're not just spending money to get likes, because likes are really only for our egos. They don't help grow our business. To boost or not to boost, what are you going to do? I'd love to know in the comments. If this video was helpful, give it a like as well. And if you want to save a ton of time on your social media marketing, grab this: 6 ways to cut your social media workload in half. Click the link on the screen to grab it, or if you don't see the link on the device you're watching on, you can also get the link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. You're not only supporting me, but also my 2 tiny superheroes at home.